How to deactivate Tinder account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Tinder account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to deactivate your Tinder account, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Tinder app and make sure you're signed into your account. Then simply come to the profile icon by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right. Then after that, just tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then simply scroll down to the very bottom until you see for an option that says delete account here. So you can tap on delete account. Then it will ask you to pause your account. Now if you look under pause, it says delete my account. You don't want to select that because that will permanently delete your account. But if you only want to deactivate it, just tap on the pause my account option. Then your account will get paused until you unpause it yourself. Until then, no one else is going to be able to view your profile and do anything on it. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then find out how to deactivate your Tinder. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.